Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the newly released Google Pixel Buds Pro. So Google previously released two different earbuds. They had the normal Pixel Buds and then they had the Pixel Buds A, and now they have the Pixel Buds Pro. So these go for around $199, and they are on the pricier side compared to some other earbuds, like let's say the Nothing Ear 1, which only goes for $99 with noise cancellation. And I've actually used that for a while and I'm happy with it. So I'm actually going to be testing this out in this video and giving you all my thoughts on it. But let's go ahead and begin. So we get very simple and nice packaging, as you can see, very Google-like, which is normal. So we get the Google logo, Pixel Buds Pro, and I also did get the smoky color. I believe this was called smoky. Oh no, it's called fog. So they have four different color options, I believe. They have this red one, white, they have a black one, and then they have this one right here, the fog. The fog is a little more on the whiter side, and it's just like a grayish color, but we're gonna have to see once we open it up. So they do have active noise cancellation, which is a bonus. All right, so two little pull tabs on the back, if I can manage to pull them off. This one right there, and then the other one. And let's just drop it down, and here are the Pixel Buds Pro. So the case looks very similar to last year's Pixel Buds A, but the Pixel Buds A case was nice anyways, so I am fine with it. We do get a little booklet in here, plus we get some ear tips. As you can see, we probably have the medium ones on here right now, and then these are going to be the large and the small. All you got to do is just open it up and they drop right in. Let's go ahead and get the other one in there, close it back up. So if you do want to change it up, you can go ahead and use these right here. I'm probably going to be keeping the medium ones on, but let's just go ahead and put that back. And as you can see, we do not get a charging cable. So this does charge with the USB-C. It also does support wireless charging, but nothing is included inside of it. It's only the earbuds and the case. I know they have been cutting a lot of stuff from other devices recently as well. Everyone just seems to be taking out things inside, accessories outside of the boxes. They're making you purchase it separately. I don't think it's the best thing, but people still buy them. I'm still buying them, so they probably won't change that. So we get a nice little white case right here with a black band right around, so it adds an outline to where the case actually closes and opens up. As you can see, we get the earbuds inside of here. They look really nice. They have a Google logo on top of both of them. As you can see, it just has the G. And then we have a nice little LED light that flashes. We also have a button right here. I believe that would probably be for the pairing, but I haven't tried it out yet. We'll have to see. So these earbuds with active noise cancellation on, you get 11 hours with the earbuds, and then you get 31 hours in total. And when you don't, that's for when it's off. And when you have active noise cancellation on, you get 7 hours of listening time with the earbuds, and then you get 20 hours in total with the case. So a very decent amount of time. You get 20 hours in total with active noise cancellation, which is really nice. I have been using my earbuds with active noise cancellation. Any one of them that I have, I always have ANC turned on, so I probably will be getting 20 hours with this. And then when you get a 5-minute charge, you can get an hour of listening with active noise cancellation on, which is nice to know. So 5 minutes is an hour, which is really good in my opinion, just charging it for a little bit. If you just run out of battery and you still need it, charge it for 5 minutes, you get a whole hour. All right, so let me go ahead and quickly compare this to some other earbuds that I actually have, just for a size comparison and looks. So these are the Pixel Buds Pro. Here are the Nothing Ear 1. As you can see, very different design. They do have, so the Pixel Buds Pro are definitely a tad bit smaller. It is a little wider maybe, not really sure, but lengthwise they're the same. Pixel Buds Pro is a little smaller, opens up a different way. And then I also have the OnePlus Buds Pro, as you can see right here. These have noise cancellation as well. So different design again. And then finally, Galaxy Buds Live. These are actually a little similar in design for the case, but they do open up differently. So that is one thing right there. All right, so let's go ahead and get on with the pairing. So pairing process is very simple. Here I have my Pixel 6a. All we got to do is just open it up, and here it is. So as you can see, once you open it up, you get this notification right here, Pixel Buds Pro. Let's go ahead and click connect, set up, starting setup right now. This will take a few moments, so let's just go ahead and leave that. All right. So it says to find, connect, and to determine any relative location. It needs some location things. Allow Pixel Buds to app to connect to your Pixel Buds. All right, so we got to get some app permissions. So to get started, I accept, next, remind me later. All right, so here are all of the controls. As you can see, we get a nice little list of what they are. So let's go ahead and actually check them out. So swipe forward is going to be raising your volume. Swipe backward is going to be lowering your volume. This is actually one of the features that I really like on the Nothing Ear 1. It's actually been really nice to just be able to use your earbuds to lower and raise the volume, even without using any type of assistant. Touch and hold is going to be active noise control or your assistant. Single tap, play, pause, and then answer call. Double tap is going to be next track or reject call. Triple tap is previous track. So let's see if we can change these. I don't think we can change these. All right, so next, stay up to date, next, continue. All right. So we are getting some assistant things right here. Okay, I agree, continue, and then customize, touch and hold. So for touch and hold, I'm just gonna do toggle active noise cancellation, and then for the left side, it's gonna be your assistant. But personally, I don't really use my assistant with any of my earbuds. I don't really need to, so it's nice. I don't really need to use it. All right, so turn, notifications, allow, a little more setup process. Keep getting personal results on your lock screen. On headphones, turn on, and then our assistant is ready. All right, so here is the app right here. So you can only access this on, I believe, your Google devices. I'm not sure if you can do it on your other devices, but with your Pixel devices, you are able to get into this screen right here once you get your device set up. So left earbud 100%, the case is at 100, and the right earbud is at 100%. So we get separate information for each of the variable parts on the earbuds. Firmware update available, so we do have an update. Talks about our assistant. We can actually find our device, so we can actually ping it. I can ring the left side, mute it, ring the right side, and then it also shows you the last known location, which is really nice. We also have our touch controls right here again. These are the same ones. Customize touch and hold, I believe that's the only one we can actually change. But for the other ones, as you can see, it shows you a little image, an animation of how you actually use the controls, which is really nice to know. So for anybody that might have an issue with that, you can go ahead and check it out right there. We also have our sound, so ANC, transparency, and noise cancellation, and then ear tip seal check. All right, so once you actually place it in, it goes ahead and same audio will play for a few seconds at a raised volume. So it basically checks if you have a perfect seal or not. And then we also have some extra settings right here: firmware update, in-ear detection, audio switching, multi-point. So let me actually go ahead and put the earbuds on. So here they are. We haven't even checked them out yet. So that is the case right here. The case is very minimal and will fit anywhere. And then here are the earbuds. Again, we do have that little G right there on both of them, but they do look okay. So let's go ahead and, all right, let's see, which side is the right side? I'm actually confused right now. All right, so that's the right, this is the left. So it'll take some getting used to, but here's the right side. I'm gonna plop them in. All right, so I have the right side on, and now the left side. All right, so earbud feels pretty nice. Let me actually go ahead and get a picture for y'all so you can see what it looks like. If I can manage to get that picture. All right. Let me see if I did a good job with that. All right, it didn't actually take the picture. Give me 1 second. So it feels really nice. I don't think I have any issues with it. I could probably wear these for a couple hours and not have any issues with it. But as you can see, this is what the fit looks like right there. Fits really nice and snug inside of the ear. So you probably won't have any issues with the comfort of the earbuds. They feel pretty comfortable, especially since I've tried out a whole bunch of different earbuds, wireless earbuds. These are still very comfortable in the ear. Maybe not the best I've tried, but they do feel really nice. So I'm actually going to go ahead and check out some of the noise settings. So currently we have noise cancellation on. I don't really hear much, but comparing this to the Nothing Ear 1, that actually is a little better than this. Once I turn it off, it's only going to be using the seal that's already been there, and then transparency. All right, so now I'm able to hear a lot of the noises that were coming from the outside, like the AC working, and then also me speaking. When I speak, I'm able to hear myself better. So this will basically help you speak with other people when you're speaking with somebody and you have your earbuds on. You can go ahead and turn on transparency and basically have no issues with that. So let's go ahead and actually use the touch controls. My right side was set up for the noise cancellation, so I'm gonna go ahead and hold it. All right, so noise cancellation turned on, and once I do hold it again, it turns it off, but it goes back to transparency. It basically goes back to the last mode you were using when you switch out from noise cancellation. So let me go ahead and actually hold it down on the left side. What's 2 plus 2? All right, so I don't think it's really working. I'm actually holding it down, and as you can see, microphone should pop up, but it doesn't seem like it's working. So let me go ahead and check these touch controls again. So touch and hold, customized. Let's go to customize again. So right earbud, toggle active noise cancellation, and then left earbud is going to be the talk assistant, talk to assistant. What's the weather like? All right, I didn't get a response. So it's a little buggy for the assistant part, but the touch control for the noise cancellation works perfectly well. And then again, changes 2 to 3 modes to toggle. So it changes from ANC to transparency, and then you can also go to off. So basically it toggles between them when you do hold down the button. I usually want to go ahead and go from transparency to active noise cancellation. I don't really see what off does for you. It really doesn't do much, but I guess if you're running low on battery, it would be nice to be able to use that and get some more charge out of it. So currently, you know, it's pretty nice. These earbuds feel really nice in the ear. They have a nice design to them. I've really loved Google's design with the case, and then the earbuds also fit perfectly well, which I'm gonna go ahead and take off again. So they fit perfectly well. They feel really nice in the ears. They have a nice little design. I probably wouldn't go for this colorway. I would probably go for the black ones. They look a little nicer. And then if you want something else, you can go for the pinkish red ones. I'm not really sure what they're called. Google has some different names, interesting names for all of them. But again, these are the Pixel Buds Pro, and that is my initial review for it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one.